आपको रूल्स रेगुलेशन सब पता है, मैम ने ऑलरेडी, मैम हैज टोल्ड यू। हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ओके। हाँ, तो आप जिसे भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है वो अनम्यूट करना है, आपको म्यूट करना है।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड में जो दिया है ना वो रेड रहता है, उस पे क्लिक करो तो म्यूट हो जाएगा। ओके। हाँ,
ठीक है सर।
तो हाँ, ओपन योर बुक्स फर्स्ट, सी पेज नंबर। ओके, 1 minute। यस, सी पेज नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 2 से, हाँ, यूनिट नंबर 1। हेलो, open your books, see page number 2, unit number 1. There is a one activity, chit chat activity. See there, chit chat activity. Okay, students. Yes, chit chat activity. Kiran, Kiran, mute yourself. Okay, and Kiran, hello Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See the first activity, chit chat activity. There is a question. Form groups of 5 to 6 and discuss. Okay, here is not groups, so you cannot discuss here, but give a ratings of 1 to 5. There is a one question. Listen, I am going to tell you. See green box. There is a one question. When you have to take important decision, what do you generally do? What do you generally do? Okay, there are 6 options are there, and all options are correct. Okay, so you have to give ratings them. Rating means, see page number 68. If you have books, open your books and see page number 68. There is a one rating box. All of you see page number 68, English textbooks, a book review lesson. Page number 68, see please.
Yes, sir.
Kiran, have you got page number 68?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There, what happened? Books nahi hai. Students who have books, they can see. Students who have not books, okay, don't see, but students who have books, see the page number 68. 68 page number, see. Okay,
Yes,
on
sir.
68 there is a box of ratings. 1 star means poor, 2 stars means average, 3 stars means good, then very good, then excellent. Okay, so in this activity you have to write down only what the ratings number. 1 number means poor, 2 numbers means what, average, 3 number means then next good, 4 stars means, okay, give numbers, don't give stars there. Okay, so read the options, all of you read the options. I'm going to read options. Okay, the first option is means questions meaning is if you want to take important decisions, what do you generally do? Means हमें जब important decisions लेना है तो generally we what we do, हम generally क्या करते हैं important decisions लेते समय. Okay, because you are teenagers. Teenage means 13 to 19. इसमें जो एज है वो टीनेजर्स है, 13 to 19, 13, 14, 15. Now you are 15 या 16 year old, so you are teenagers means you have to take decisions. आपको डिसीजंस लेना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपका एज उस ग्रुप में आता है. ओके, सो आप जनरली क्या करते हैं, व्हाट डू यू डू जनरली? देयर इज अ वन ऑप्शन इज गिवन, कंसल्ट पेरेंट्स एल्डर्स. कंसल्ट मीन डिस्कस. discuss, take advice. Okay, parents and elders, parents, mummy, papa, uncle, auntie, whatever. Okay, B number options. So give ratings. What ratings? Generally, some students take most of all parents' advice. So they give ratings. Excellent. 5 number write down. Some students can write 4 number. Some students 3 number. Whatever answer you are. Okay. It is your personal response. So don't hesitate to write down. Okay. Next one is contact friends for advice. Contact friends for advice. Some students maybe contact their friends. So write down your rating number, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, whatever number. Then C number. Most of all, we pray to God for guidance. Okay, 50% students may pray, means give temples, mosques, church, whatever. Pray for God. Yeah, at home, stand in front of their God and pray for God for guidance. So write down your ratings. Then D number is think deeply in silence. 5 number, ask your teacher for help to take decisions. Then last one is toss a coin. You have, I think, which film? Sholay is a nice film. You have seen, might be. Dharmendra, special hero. He always takes to what toss coin in his films while taking decisions. Okay, so some students may be habit. Okay, no problem. So give ratings first. Okay, take 1 minute time and give ratings. Give ratings to your which question. When you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? Okay. Hmm. Have you completed? Okay. Anyone who want to speak, please unmute yourself and tell the answer. Give the answer. Okay, anyone who has completed, please unmute and tell me कि sir we have given ratings. Okay, ratings अगर हुए हैं तो आप लोग answers दो please. If you have completed, Tabraj, have you completed? Tabraj, have you given ratings?
No, sir.
ratings दिए है आपने?
No, sir.
Tabraj,
Yes, sir.
ratings दिए क्या? Yes sir, ना? Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. Okay, very good. So our poem is on specially C number rating. See the poem's title. See the poem's title 1.1, a teenager's prayer. A teenager's prayer means teenage means I already told you teenage means 13 to 19-year old.
Yes, sir.
Age. Okay, age. Teenager's prayer. This prayer is specially means actually it is our theme of the poem. Theme means main subject, main ashay, main vishay. Okay, main vishay is what? कि ये means ये जो 13 to 19 age is very crucial age, very important age, and
Important
in this
age.
important age, and in this age we have to take decisions. Okay, which may take us success and distress also. Success or distress also means ये जो डिसीजंस है एक तो हमें सक्सेस तक लेके जाएंगे, अदरवाइज हमें बहुत ही सैड में लेके जाएंगे, डिस्ट्रेस में लेके जाएंगे. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एज है और इसमें हमें ध्यान पूर्वक या बहुत ही ध्यान देकर डिसीजंस लेने होंगे. इसलिए आपके एज के स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, टीनेजर्स स्पेशली, टीनेजर्स, दे प्रे टू गॉड फॉर डिसीजंस. ये मेन सब्जेक्ट है हमारा. इट इज अवर मेन सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द पोयम कि गॉड को प्रे करते हो कि सर गॉड प्लीज हेल्प अस टू टेक राइट डिसीजंस. प्लीज हेल्प अस
हमारा
टू
सही
राइट
डिसीजन
डिसीजन.
क्या है करके.
Okay, whatever your God, some may pray to any religion's god, any, no particular reason. Okay. So here next activity is see the blue box. I think some techniques as one here. Technique means I already told you in 9th standard figures of speech. It is a very nice technique of poet. Here very nice thing is given apostrophe. First of all, I'm see second number activity. For example, see there is a one line. Okay, twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, and then you know line. Okay, then there is another line. Another line is death. Where is thy sting? Death. Where is? First of all, unmute everyone. सब जन unmute करो आपको, क्योंकि किसी का आवाज आ रहा है, किसी के मोबाइल से आवाज आ रहा है. Unmute करो, please. Okay, 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 okay. Very good, very good. Thank you. Huh? So there is a one line, twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, and then another one line is death. Where is thy sting? Okay, here means death. See second line specially death and exclamation mark is given. Means ये जो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है वो डेथ एक इनएनिमेट थिंग है. इनएनिमेट मीन्स नॉट अ लिविंग थिंग. डेथ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंग. तो भी उस थिंग से वो क्या कर रहा है, एड्रेस कर रहा है. एड्रेस मीन स्पीक कर रहा है. व्हेन वी एड्रेस सच इनएनिमेट थिंग या एब्सेंट पर्सन, दिस फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज apostrophe. Okay, some lines are given. Third one line, oh caveman, I wish I could live with you. Okay, sometimes we also say, oh God, please save me. Oh God, please help me. God is not present. God is not in front of us. God हमारे सामने नहीं रहता है. ओके, एब्सेंट है, तो भी हम गॉड से प्रे करते हैं या गॉड को स्पीक करते हैं. तो ऐसे कंडीशन पर ये जो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है इसे वी कॉल एपोस्ट्रोफी, गिवन इन सेकंड नंबर एक्टिविटी 3 line, third number line C. Such a sorry, I'm going to read the second number activity. In poetry, very often means always there are lines in which the poet seems to talk, means poet talks directly to an absent person, an abstract idea, या thing या any objects. For example, oh tree, please save me. Tree is not I know living thing, but tree can't talk with us. Okay, but here tree से वो poet या anyone talk कर रहा है, इसका मतलब वो tree से speak कर रहा है, तो ये figure of speech apostrophe है. Some lines have given you. I'm going to tell you. See page number 18, 1.3 number poem. See page number 18. If you have books, see page number 18. 18, see page number 18. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. हाँ Praveen. Okay, talk. There is a one line. See 1.3. I'm going to. I actually I don't have book. Okay. There is a one line. First line. See. Oh moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or two basket full with seeds of moonlight. Here, poet talks directly to moon, and actually moon is not live thing. Okay, and also moon is absent thing here. But poet directly talk. Poet यहाँ पर imagine कर रहा है कि poet से बोल रहा है. Okay, so it is apostrophe. Yes, very good. See in this poem there is another one line. Second number last say second number stanza. Last, oh moon, same hai, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Here also poet talks या praise to moon. Last number stanza also, oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. Okay. Another poem is given, but I am not going to detail. Some lines you have given, complete that lines, so you will get idea much. Okay. The lines are see. Oh life. Okay, life is not, I think, not okay, animate thing, is an animate thing, inanimate thing. Oh life, Then B number, complete. You complete. Oh life, how beautiful you are. Like that. You will complete all these. Okay. Be dear God, please help me. Like that. Books. Books actually not living thing. And okay, it is non-living thing. But poet, yeah, we can compare. We can talk with books. Okay, here हम अगर हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं तो ये एक्चुअली फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है. पोयम में we can imagine anything. Okay, books, you are the best friend of me. Like that. Then you exams, I wished you will not come. Okay, exams, some students can write exams, I wish you come to in daily, yeah, sorry, in week, yeah, in month. Okay, oh you beautiful sky. Like that, you can complete these after our lecture. Okay, so if anyone think, so please reply me, Praveen. If you think on this line, इसी लाइन पर थिंक होता है तो प्लीज रिप्लाई करो. एनी, प्रवीण है, किरण है, रागिनी है, कवरेज है, भरत है. ओके, एनीवन अनम्यूट. हाँ प्रवीण.
से बोलूं? ठीक.
ओके ओके, टेल प्रवीण.
सर,
प्रवीण स्पीक.
books, you are my best friend. Books, you are my best friend.
प्रवीण.
Yes, sir. Exams, I
Idea
will you
on these
finish.
lines. So please think. Please tell. Have idea? Okay.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
पाटिल सर,
सर आपका नेट अटक रहा है.
हेलो पाटिल सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
राहुल, लगता है डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए. थोड़ी देर वेट करो, वापस रिकनेक्ट करेंगे. राहुल,
सब लोग अपना अनम्यूट करो. किसी के घर से बच्चों की चिल्ला आ रही है.
यही सब सुन रहा है क्या तू भरत? किरण तुझे मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
हाँ.
अभी सर ने एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए बोला ना. जैसे कि कभी कभी जोर जोर से बारिश होती है तो हम लोग बोलते करके ये बारिश रुक जा करके हमारा काम हो जाएगा तब बरसना करके. ये भी एग्जाम्पल हुआ ना. बोलना।
हाँ
अच्छा ठीक है।
हेलो भरत, भरत, भरत,
रागनी
हाँ बोलो।
रागिनी आप गांव में हो कि यहाँ पे हो?
मैं यहीं पर हूँ, कहीं गाँव नहीं गई।
सर
क्यों नहीं गए?
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए, थोड़ी देर वेट कीजिए, अभी ज्वाइन होंगे।
ओके मैम।
ए नेहा
हाँ बोल।
रागनी अगर देखकर पता चल जा रहा है ये इधर ही है मुंबई में।
हाँ
हाँ सही बोली।
हाँ तो
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बट वैसे भी देख के लग रहा है करके यही पे हो, क्योंकि गाँव में तो गाँव में अंधेरा अंधेरा ही रहता है ना, इसलिए।
हाँ बात सही है। पतली नहीं होती जा रही है रागनी।
अरे बहुत मोटी हो
कहाँ
गई है
पे
पागल।
कहाँ पहले मोटी थी जो अभी पतली होगी?
हाँ मालूम है, तुम लोग ताना मार रही हो, मुझे मालूम है।
मस्त है पर थोड़ा सुस्त है। 11 मोहल्लों के जानवर तुम्हारे बच्चों को परेशान है और तुम सो रही हो। चाहते हुए भी बेबी सिटिंग करनी पड़ेगी। तो फिर मैं नहीं लाता है, बेबी सिटिंग करनी है, बेबी की तरह स्लीपिंग नहीं। चल
रोशनी
हाँ
आवाज सुनाई दे रही है आपको?
बोलो
कैसी हो?
बोलो मैडम बोलो। अभी क्या सुनेंगे
किसी घर में टीवी चल रही है यार, टीवी बंद करो।
हेलो
तेरे घर पे चल रही है, बंद कर।
हेलो हेलो हेलो।
यस सर।
अपने सर आप ज्वाइन हो गए क्या?
हाँ जरा थोड़ा हेलो, सॉरी नेट प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, सॉरी। ओके
हाँ हाँ आप आ गए।
सो
ओके
हाँ ओके 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 हाँ ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके see the textbook and page number 3rd. Okay, see I'm going to listen you one audio of this poem. Okay.
Unit number 1, page number 3, subunit number 1. 1.1. Name of the poem, A Teenager's Prayer.
Listen
Each
the
day
poem. Listen.
brings new beginnings, decisions I must make.
Poem का
I
आवाज आ
am
रहा
the
है?
only one to choose the road that I will take.
आवाज आ रहा है ना?
I can choose to
Yes,
take
हाँ,
the
okay,
road
listen.
of life that leads to great
Okay, listen,
success
listen.
or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right.
Listen,
Bring
listen
out
and
the best
see
in me.
in textbook.
Help,
Rahul.
Lord, to gently know when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me.
Okay. Now who want to read the poem? Anyone who want to read the poem? Okay. Page number 3, A Teenager's Prayer. Who want to read the poem? Read only, reading. Kiran? Unmute yourself. Kiran, Praveen, anyone. And read the poem. Okay. Read the poem. Hello. Hello. Neha? Neha? Anyone? Please read the poem. Who want to read the poem? Can you listen me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैं read the poem. Read. Praveen, read the poem. All students listen. Praveen. Okay. Praveen is going to read the poem. Praveen. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
तो
Praveen
start
read.
करूँ?
हाँ yes start.
Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Brings out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes on my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
See.
sir.
Yes. Ping box C. The first question is given C. Read. Bharat read unmute. Yes. The first question is, what is the age group of the speaker in the poem? What is the age group? Okay. You may answer, anyone. What is the age group? Kiran? Kiran, can you hear? Speaker means here. See, the photograph is given also. Speaker means you, like you. You speaker. I already told you the title. See the title of the poem.
Sir, 14 year.
Title. Ah, yes. Very good answer. Another one. Huh? Next one.
15 to 18 years. Sir, 15
Ah,
to
yes.
18
Very good.
years.
Yes. Nice answer. 13, 19-year-old. Very good.
14
Okay.
होगा 14.
Ah, yes. Because the poem, the title given answer, a teenager's prayer. Okay, teenager's prayer. So
Sir, 14, 15 या फिर 13 होगा सर.
yes, 13 to 19. Okay, next here. Next question in pink box. What decisions does the speaker have to take? Okay, see the stanza number 1. Tell, please unmute yourself. आवाज आ रहा है, अनम्यूट करो सब. Okay. See the first stanza. Each day brings new beginnings. Beginnings means startings. Every day takes us new beginnings. Decision I must make. Actually, sentence is I must make decisions. I must take decisions. So every day हमें कुछ ना कुछ decisions लेना ही होता है. Okay. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Okay. अभी you are age of 13 to 19. So you have to take your own decisions about study, about anything. Okay. Your parents will not help you. You can discuss with them, consult with them. So line number 3 is I am the only one